Welcome everyone. So this is a video on how to create a HTML document for a website absolutely free, and how to create a website absolutely free. Here I'm using a Visual Studio Code, which is absolutely free too. I've saved this file as index.html on my desktop on a folder called website, and I've saved it as index.html. So let's carry on with what we were supposed to do, teach you. So in a HTML document, you should always have this, where's it gone? This as your main. This is the main best thing of Visual Studio Code. It fills in for you, but it sometimes catches you out. So I'm just going to write the basics down. So in the head, you should have a head. In the head, you can write anything like title to link, whatever you want. In this case, I'm not teaching you. Link is used for CSS, mostly to link your CSS file to your HTML file. But in this case, I'm not going to do that, because I'm only going to teach you the basics of HTML right now, and I'll do the CSS on a different video. So for this HTML website, so this will be on the top of the screen of a browser. You'll see on the top. And then after your head, you should include a body. Not the human body, but the body of the HTML. In the body of the HTML, you can type a H1. A H1 is the main big bold heading, which I can show you right now about. If you look at that one, this is a heading. This is H1. I've created this for it just to show you. So this is H1, which I include that as H1. I can use the same one, but I'll write it again on the other one. So H1 is going to be my name is John. Then I can also type P, which is meant for paragraph. You can type anything. In that case, I'm just going to type random stuff. You could also do stuff like H3. This is how the head is laid out. A heading is laid out. So H1, H2, H3 to H6. H6 is the smallest and H1 is biggest. So for a subtitle, if you want to make a subtitle, I'm going to go for H4. Why not? Now go Fred is my friend. Yeah. And then finally H body. That's your basic structure. So in the next video, I'll show you how to include a CSS into it. So if I run this, let me see if this is on autosave. It is. So I'll just turn it off again. God, it's on autosave. So if I go back to my browser, and if I reload that page, it should say, my name is John, Fred is my friend, and that's my paragraph. See, I did something wrong. So that is a general mistake. That should be going on your title bar, which I'm going to sort it out. I'll show you what the mistake was. If I look on, let me just see, where is it gone? There it is, head HTML. Yep. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, I've changed the stuff. The problem, I think, there was a small error in how you place the head. The head should always, the start head should always be aligned with this type. So let's see if it works. I'm just going to, there you go. So it's aligned, because it was not aligned, it did not show on the top. Now it shows on the top. I'll show you a good website to learn your HTML. This is a free website where you can learn everything for HTML. Instead of watching my videos, it's up to you, or you could, I'll explain each one of this in detail for you in the next couple of videos. So this should be a basic HTML slide. On the next video, I'll create a video on how you could add CSS into this, which makes it a bit more stylish, more professional. Looks more professional, like these websites, like any websites you could get on, like this Matlam website. You can make it all design, CSS, everything on it. I should not be showing this will be copyrighted, but anyway, for you guys. So that's it. And I'll also create a video on how to install a Visual Studio Code.